Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to delve into the fabulous fashion choices of the one and only Ruchira Jadhav. Let's jump right in. Ruchira's fashion game is on point, even on the most casual days. She effortlessly combines comfort and style. Think oversized sweaters, ripped jeans, and sneakers. It's all about that relaxed yet chic look. When it's time to conquer the boardroom, the actress knows how to make a statement. Her power dressing choices include tailored blazers, high-waisted trousers, and sophisticated heels. She means business, and her attire reflects that. She also knows how to channel her inner bohemian spirit. Flowy maxi dresses, layered jewelry, and a carefree attitude define her boho style. It's all about embracing that laid-back, artistic vibe. When it's time to hit the town, Ruchira pulls out all the stops. She stuns in elegant gowns, sequined dresses, and statement accessories. Her red carpet-worthy style turns heads wherever she goes. Let's talk accessories. Her collection is nothing short of impressive. From statement necklaces to designer handbags, she knows how to elevate any outfit with the perfect accessory. Her flawless makeup and hairstyle choices complete her looks. She's all about natural beauty with a touch of glamour, and she nails it every time. Ruchira's casual chic game is always strong. She's often spotted in classic white tees, well-fitted denim, and stylish sneakers. It's a look that's effortlessly cool and perfect for brunch with friends or a day out in the city. The actress occasionally takes a step back in time with her retro-inspired ensembles. Think polka dot dresses, cat eye sunglasses, and pin-up hairstyles. Her vintage glamour is a nod to the past with a modern twist. Her wardrobe adapts with the seasons. In the summer, she's all about breezy sundresses and straw hats. Come winter, she effortlessly transitions from one season to the next with her fashion choices. She's often seen in eco-friendly brands and second-hand treasures. Her dedication to ethical and sustainable fashion is an inspiration to us all. Ruchira also knows how to stay stylish while hitting the gym or going for a run. Her activewear choices are a blend of comfort and fashion. Leggings, sports bras, and sneakers are her go-to items for an active lifestyle. Every fashionista has their signature style elements, and Ruchira is no exception. Her love for statement sunglasses, bold prints, and classic red lipstick are her fashion trademarks. Ruchira's travel style is the envy of globetrotters everywhere. She opts for comfortable yet stylish clothing like maxi dresses, oversized scarves, and versatile footwear. She knows how to pack light without compromising on fashion. The actress has had the privilege of collaborating with renowned fashion brands and designers. These collaborations have resulted in limited edition collections that reflect her personal style and creativity. Sometimes, less is more, and Ruchira proves this with her minimalist elegance. Clean lines, neutral colors, and timeless pieces make up her minimalist wardrobe, perfect for achieving a sophisticated look. Her street style is a blend of urban flair and trend-setting fashion. She embraces streetwear staples like oversized hoodies, edgy sneakers, and statement accessories to create her unique street-style looks. She occasionally shares her DIY fashion projects, demonstrating how to upcycle clothing and accessories to give them new life. She effortlessly blends elements from different cultures into her wardrobe, creating stunning and unique fusion looks that celebrate global fashion. Ruchira has an innate sense of choosing the perfect colors for each season. In spring, pastels and florals dominate her wardrobe. Summer brings vibrant and bold shades, while autumn sees warm earthy tones. Winter, of course, is all about cozy neutrals and deep hues. She seamlessly mixes high-end designer pieces with affordable fashion finds, proving that style doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Her high-low mix is a testament to her fashion versatility. Her appearances on the red carpet have left a lasting impression. Her choice of elegant gowns, unique accessories, and confidence in front of the cameras solidify her status as a fashion icon. She actively supports sustainable and eco-friendly fashion brands, advocating for a more environmentally friendly fashion industry. Ruchira's wardrobe includes essential pieces like the little black dress, tailored blazers, and white button-down shirts that never go out of style. Ruchira's shoe game is on point. Her collection includes a variety of footwear styles, from trendy sneakers and stylish boots to elegant heels and comfy flats. She knows that the right pair of shoes can make or break an outfit. She is known for her ability to look fabulous without breaking the bank. She often shares her tips and tricks for finding budget-friendly fashion alternatives and creating stylish outfits on a tight budget. Her hair complements her outfits, adding an extra layer of style to her overall look. Layering is a key element of Ruchira's fashion arsenal. She skillfully combines various clothing pieces to create stylish and versatile outfits suitable for any season. Even the most stylish individuals draw inspiration from somewhere. Ruchira shares her fashion inspirations, from iconic fashion icons to cultural influences that have shaped her unique sense of style. Ruchira often incorporates leather jackets into her streetwear looks. Whether it's a classic black biker jacket or a bold-colored one, she knows how to make this staple piece the focal point of her outfit. She's a fan of distressed denim, particularly ripped jeans. These add a touch of edginess to her outfits and are a go-to choice for casual street style. Ruchira effortlessly pulls off graphic tees with unique designs and slogans. They're a great way to express her personality and interests through fashion. Funky sneakers and ankle boots are her preferred choices when it comes to footwear. They add a sporty or edgy vibe to her street looks. She knows the power of accessories. Layered necklaces, statement belts, and oversized sunglasses are often part of her street style ensemble. The actress expertly mixes different textures in her outfits. For instance, pairing a leather jacket with a soft cashmere sweater creates an interesting contrast that elevates her look. Her choice of bags is usually minimalist, such as sleek crossbody bags or backpacks that are both stylish and practical for a day out in the city. She keeps her hair and makeup relatively natural and effortless, which complements her street style aesthetic. Messy waves or a casual bun often accompany her looks. While she occasionally experiments with bold colors, Ruchira tends to stick to a neutral color palette for her street style outfits. This allows her to mix and match pieces with ease. Her confidence is the key to her street style success. She wears what she loves with an air of self-assuredness that makes her stand out in any urban setting. Ruchira often opts for graphic tees with unique prints, slogans, or artistic designs. These tees are the epitome of casual comfort while allowing her to showcase her personality. Denim is a staple in her casual wardrobe. Whether it's classic jeans, denim jackets, or chambray shirts, she knows how to incorporate denim into her outfits for that timeless, relaxed vibe. Sneakers are her go-to footwear for casual occasions. From classic white sneakers to trendy and colorful pairs, she knows how to complete her casual look with comfy kicks. She also loves casual dresses, especially shirt dresses and sundresses. These are easy to throw on and perfect for a day out with friends or a stroll in the park. The actress often incorporates layering into her casual looks. She might throw on a lightweight cardigan, a flannel shirt, or a denim jacket over her outfit to add depth and style. Even in her casual outfits, she pays attention to accessories. Sunglasses, simple necklaces, and a casual watch often complete her look without overdoing it. Ruchira tends to stick to a neutral color palette for her casual choices. Earthy tones, whites, grays, and muted pastels dominate her wardrobe, creating a cohesive and versatile collection. Like in her street style, confidence is the key ingredient in Ruchira's casual choices. She rocks her casual outfits with a sense of self-assuredness that makes even the simplest look stand out. Ruchira's makeup starts with a flawless base. She often uses a lightweight, medium coverage foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out her skin tone while allowing her natural skin texture to show through. She prefers concealer only where needed to cover any blemishes or under eye circles, allowing her skin to breathe and maintain a natural look. She typically opts for a dewy or luminous finish, achieved with a hydrating setting spray or a subtle highlighter on the high points of her face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and nose bridge. Her eyebrows are groomed to appear natural yet well-defined. She uses a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and set them in place with a clear brow gel. Ruchira often goes for neutral and earthy eyeshadow shades. Soft browns, taupes, and warm neutrals enhance her eyes without being overly dramatic. She occasionally adds a thin line of brown or black eyeliner along her upper lash line to define her eyes subtly. Winged liner is rarely part of her makeup routine. Ruchira loves long, separated lashes. She uses mascara to achieve a wide-eyed look, focusing on the upper lashes for a fluttery effect. For a healthy flush of color, she opts for a natural blush in soft pink or peach tones, applied lightly on the apples of her cheeks. Her lip color choices lean towards nude or soft pink shades. She prefers lipsticks or lip glosses that enhance her lips' natural color rather than bold or vibrant hues. She keeps contouring to a minimum, if at all. Ruchira's makeup emphasizes enhancing her features rather than heavy sculpting. A setting spray helps her makeup stay in place and maintain that fresh, dewy look throughout the day. False lashes are rarely part of her routine. She prefers to accentuate her natural lashes with mascara. Ruchira often emphasizes a healthy, glowing complexion. She may incorporate a liquid or cream highlighter to achieve a natural radiance on her cheekbones, the tip of her nose, and the cupid's bow. Her nails typically sport nude or neutral nail polish colors, which complement her overall understated and elegant look. Her makeup is versatile enough to transition from day to night. She may intensify her eyeshadow slightly or add a bold lip color for evening events, while still maintaining that effortless vibe. Before applying makeup, Ruchira prioritizes skincare. She ensures her skin is well moisturized and prepped with sunscreen, allowing her makeup to glide on smoothly. Ruchira avoids heavy contouring, preferring a more natural and soft look. She might use a matte bronzer to add a subtle warmth to her complexion. She often embraces any natural beauty marks of freckles, rather than concealing them. These marks add character and uniqueness to her look. Lip gloss is a staple in her makeup bag. She uses it to achieve plump, glossy lips, which contribute to her youthful appearance. Ruchira adapts her makeup to the seasons. She might opt for lighter, fresher looks in the spring and summer and switch to deeper or richer colors for fall and winter. Known for her natural beauty, the actress occasionally shares her DIY beauty routines, such as homemade masks or natural skincare remedies, on her social media platforms. Ruchira's makeup philosophy revolves around enhancing her natural beauty while feeling confident and comfortable in her own skin. Her signature look is about embracing individuality and authenticity. While Ruchira occasionally uses mascara to enhance her lashes, she prefers a more natural look. Instead of heavy mascara application, she focuses on separating and defining her lashes for an open-eyed effect. She sometimes opts for a monochromatic makeup look, where she uses a single shade on her eyelids, lips, and even cheeks. This minimalist approach creates a harmonious and cohesive appearance. When she does choose to wear eyeliner, it's often a soft, subtle winged liner. This enhances the shape of her eyes without overpowering her overall look. Occasionally, Ruchira experiments with faux freckles, using a brow pencil or fine-tip eyeliner to add subtle freckle-like dots across her nose and cheeks, giving her a youthful and playful appearance. While she favors nude and soft pink lip shades for her casual and everyday looks, Ruchira often uses makeup products for multiple purposes. For instance, she might use lipstick as blush for a coordinated look or apply a shimmery eyeshadow as a highlighter. While she keeps her eyebrows defined, the actress embraces a natural, brushed-up eyebrow look. This adds a touch of youthful charm to her makeup. Ruchira places great importance on skincare, which forms the foundation of her makeup routine. Healthy, well-hydrated skin allows her makeup to appear radiant and fresh. When using lip liner, she opts for a shade that matches her natural lip color closely. This prevents any harsh lines and keeps her lips looking naturally full. Her makeup style is characterized by timeless elegance. Her looks don't rely heavily on current trends, which ensures that her photos and videos will remain stylish for years to come. To set her makeup and reduce shine, she uses a translucent powder sparingly, maintaining her dewy finish while ensuring longevity. Ruchira frequently sports beach waves, which exude a relaxed and carefree vibe. Achieved through curling wands or braiding damp hair overnight, beach waves complement her casual and bohemian-inspired outfits. A messy bun is one of her go-to hairstyles for a quick and chic look. Whether it's a low bun at the nape of her neck or a high bun perched on her crown, the style adds a touch of sophistication to her casual and formal attire. She often opts for the half-up, half-down hairstyle, which offers the best of both worlds, the convenience of keeping hair out of the face while showcasing her locks' natural texture. When aiming for a polished appearance, she ties her hair into a sleek ponytail, emphasizing her facial features and often accompanied by statement earrings or accessories. Embracing her bohemian side, Ruchira incorporates various braided styles into her look, such as side braids, fishtail braids, or a loose crown braid. These intricate styles add a touch of whimsy to her overall aesthetic. On occasion, she rocks straight and sleek hair, which complements her power dressing and evening wear looks, giving her a sophisticated edge. Her signature side part with a slightly messy texture gives her a casual and effortlessly cool appearance, particularly when paired with her street-style outfits. The top knot is another favorite of hers, allowing her to keep her hair off her face while looking stylish. She may opt for a messy or a neatly twisted top knot depending on the occasion. Ruchira embraces her hair's natural texture, allowing her waves or curls to shine without too much manipulation. This approach lends authenticity to her look. Ruchira often incorporates hair accessories, such as headbands, scrunchies, or hairpins, to add a unique touch to her hairstyles. These accessories complement her overall outfit and can be both practical and stylish. While she experiments with various styles, her overall approach is low maintenance. Her hairstyles are effortless and practical for everyday wear. She has been seen with everything from natural shades to subtle highlights, allowing her to adapt her hairstyle to different looks and moods. For formal occasions or when she wants a classic and elegant look, she opts for a sleek ballerina bun. This hairstyle complements her evening wear and power dressing ensembles. Ruchira occasionally adds a pop of style with a headscarf or bandana, tying it around her head in various ways. This adds a touch of retro flair to her look and can be both functional and fashionable. When she wants to elevate her look, she may go for curly updos. These can be intricate and sophisticated, perfect for weddings and special events. Her long, flowing locks are sometimes styled with minimal effort, allowing her hair's natural beauty to take center stage. Loose, free-flowing hair can be both elegant and bohemian, depending on her outfit. Ruchira occasionally experiments with shorter hairstyles like a chic bob or lob. These modern cuts showcase her versatility and willingness to try new looks. She sometimes adds crown-like accessories, such as flower crowns or jeweled headpieces, to enhance her overall aesthetic and create a dreamy, ethereal appearance. For a touch of vintage glam, she styles her hair into classic Hollywood waves. This look adds a touch of old-school elegance to her attire and is perfect for red carpet events. Ruchira sometimes opts for a braided crown hairstyle, which gives her a regal and feminine appearance. This style can be dressed up or down, making it versatile for various occasions. When she experiments with shorter haircuts, she may opt for a textured pixie cut. This bold choice showcases her confidence and willingness to embrace change. For a quick yet stylish updo, she may choose an effortless chignon. This style is perfect for busy days when she still wants to look put together. Ruchira occasionally sports the wet hair look, which adds a contemporary and edgy edge to her style. This glossy finish is perfect for fashion-forward outfits. She often accessorizes her low buns with hairpins, clips, or decorative combs. These subtle touches add flair to her hairstyle without being overwhelming. Occasionally, Ruchira incorporates side-swept bangs into her look. This classic style softens her facial features and adds a touch of sophistication. For a relaxed yet stylish look, she may opt for a tousled low ponytail. This hairstyle is perfect for casual outings and beachy vibes. When she wants to make a statement, she goes for a high-volume ponytail. Teasing her hair slightly at the crown gives her ponytail added height and drama. Embracing her edgy side, she occasionally sports a foxhawk by styling her hair upward in the center and creating a bold and unconventional look. For a combination of elegance and versatility, she chooses a braided ponytail. It adds texture and detail to a classic hairstyle. The messy fishtail braid is a favorite when she desires an effortlessly chic look. It pairs well with her bohemian and casual fashion choices. When she's in the mood for a shorter style, Ruchira may opt for a wavy bob. This playful yet sophisticated cut allows her to experiment with different textures. Occasionally, she adds color highlights or lowlights to her hair to create dimension and contrast. These highlights can be subtle or bold, depending on her mood and fashion choices. For a modern and minimalist appearance, she sometimes slicks her hair back, allowing her facial features to take center stage. The actress may choose to crimp her hair for a retro-inspired look. Crimped hair adds texture and a unique flair to her outfits. When styling updos, she often incorporates accessories like hairpins, barrettes, or even silk scarves to elevate her hairstyle and create a signature look. The low side bun is another elegant choice that she might go for during formal events or when she wants to exude sophistication and grace. For music festivals and boho-inspired looks, Ruchira often embraces festival braids, which can be a combination of various braid styles like Dutch braids and fishtails. Her layered haircuts add movement and depth to her locks, allowing her to style her hair in various ways, from tousled waves to sleek straight looks. Ruchira often adorns herself with statement necklaces that draw attention to her neckline and add a touch of glamour to her outfits. These can range from chunky metal pieces to beaded or gemstone-encrusted necklaces. She's a fan of the layered necklace trend, which allows her to mix and match different necklace lengths, textures, and styles to create a personalized and boho-inspired look. Ruchira loves earrings of all kinds. She may go for oversized hoops, delicate studs, or dangling earrings, depending on the occasion and her outfit. Earrings add a subtle yet impactful touch to her style. Her wrists are often adorned with bracelets and bangles, either as a single statement piece or stacked for a bohemian vibe. These accessories add movement and sound to her look. For a touch of sophistication, she occasionally wears a stylish watch that complements her overall aesthetic. These watches can be minimalist or more ornate, depending on her outfit. Her fingers may be adorned with a variety of rings, from simple bands to more intricate and decorative pieces. Rings allow her to express her individual style. She uses belts to cinch her waist and define her silhouette, especially when wearing dresses or oversized outfits. Belts can be both functional and fashionable accessories in her wardrobe. Ruchira often completes her street style and casual looks with oversized sunglasses. These not only protect her eyes but also add an element of chic to her outfits. Silk scarves are versatile accessories in her collection. She may wear them around her neck, tie them as a headband, or use them to add a pop of color to her handbag. Depending on the occasion and her outfit, Ruchira chooses handbags that range from small clutches to large totes. Her handbag choice is both practical and stylish, complementing her overall look. For a touch of sophistication or a bohemian twist, she occasionally tops off her outfits with stylish hats like fedoras, floppy hats, or berets. As mentioned earlier, Ruchira embraces headbands, hairpins, and bandanas to style her hair and add flair to her overall look. For a playful and beachy vibe, she may wear anklets, adding a touch of bling to her ankles when wearing sandals or open-toe shoes. Chokers are a trendy choice that she occasionally incorporates into her style, adding a touch of edginess and modernity to her outfits. For special occasions, she might wear body chains that drape over her torso, creating a striking and alluring effect. Ruchira often incorporates ethnic and bohemian-inspired jewelry into her looks. These pieces include beaded necklaces, tribal-style earrings, and intricate metalwork, adding a touch of cultural diversity to her style. For a touch of nostalgia, she occasionally dons retro and vintage accessories. These can include antique brooches, vintage-inspired handbags, or classic sunglasses styles from past eras. Embracing the trend of mismatched earrings, she pairs different earrings in terms of size, shape, or design to create an eclectic and unconventional style statement. She often wears personalized jewelry pieces, such as name necklaces or pendants with meaningful initials or symbols. These accessories hold sentimental value and add a personal touch to her outfits. She sometimes experiments with ear cuffs and climbers that adorn her ears in unique and creative ways. These edgy accessories can transform a simple look into a bold and trendy one. Tassel earrings are a favorite accessory for Ruchira, especially when she wants to add movement and color to her outfit. These fun and playful earrings are perfect for casual or bohemian styles. She occasionally incorporates leather accessories, such as leather cuffs or belts, to add a touch of edge and texture to her outfits. While she often goes for statement pieces, she also appreciates the beauty of minimalist jewelry, such as delicate chain necklaces, tiny stud earrings, and slim bangle bracelets. She supports ethical and sustainable fashion, including jewelry made from eco-friendly materials or by artisans from underprivileged communities. Fringe details are another playful element in her accessory collection. Whether it's a fringe handbag, earrings, or a scarf, these pieces create movement and add a boho vibe to her look. She sometimes opts for cuff bracelets that can be bold and eye-catching, serving as statement pieces on their own. The actress appreciates the beauty and symbolism of gemstone jewelry. She may wear gemstone necklaces, rings, or bracelets, choosing stones that resonate with her on a personal level. Ruchira often coordinates her accessories with the color palette of her outfit, ensuring a harmonious and put-together look. The actress often chooses photo shoot locations that resonate with her style. Whether it's an urban cityscape, a picturesque natural setting, or a bohemian-inspired backdrop, the location sets the mood for her photos. Natural light is a key element in her photo shoots. She often schedules shoots during the golden hours of sunrise or sunset when the soft, warm light enhances her appearance and creates a dreamy atmosphere. Ruchira incorporates props and accessories that complement her outfits and tell a story. This could include items like hats, scarves, books, flowers, or even vintage cameras to add depth and interest to her photos. She experiments with a variety of poses to capture different angles and expressions. From candid shots to more structured poses, this diversity adds dynamism to her photos. Her photos often include candid moments where she appears relaxed and in her element. These shots convey authenticity and a sense of real-life style. Close-up shots highlight the details of her makeup, jewelry, and accessories. This allows her audience to appreciate the finer elements of her fashion choices. Ruchira often tells a fashion story through her photos. This means she considers the sequence of shots, the progression of outfits, and the narrative she wants to convey through her style. To create visual interest, she may change backgrounds within the same photo shoot. This adds variety and can accentuate different aspects of her fashion choices. She occasionally collaborates with photographers, stylists, makeup artists, and other creatives to bring her vision to life and achieve a cohesive and professional look in her photos. She pays attention to the mood and emotion she wants to convey in her photos. Whether it's confidence, playfulness, or elegance, she uses her expressions and body language to communicate her intended message. Post-processing plays a role in her photo shoots. She may use editing techniques and filters to enhance colors, contrast, and overall aesthetics to achieve the desired visual impact. She actively engages with her audience during photo shoots, whether it's through behind-the-scenes glimpses on social media or by responding to comments and feedback, creating a sense of connection and community. While she explores various styles, Ruchira maintains a consistent overall aesthetic in her photos, making her Instagram feed or portfolio visually appealing and cohesive. The actress sometimes incorporates movement into her photos, such as twirling, walking, or flowing fabric, which adds a sense of dynamism and energy to her shots. Her photos often include close-up shots of fashion details like textures, patterns, and accessories, allowing her audience to appreciate the intricacies of her outfits. There you have it, fashion aficionados. Ruchira Jadhav's fashion choices cover a wide spectrum, from everyday chic to powerful dressing and everything in between. Her versatility is truly inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.